Hi everyone, this is Shweta, and I like to start by saying love is love. Such a beautiful sentence, and the deeper we go, the more beautiful is the meaning. There's this community, LGBT community, and this community has gone through a lot. And they have gone through a lot because of some stigma that was attached in the society. Why did I say love is love if I don't mean it? Very clearly, our society has called certain things normal and certain things abnormal. Loving a man, a woman loving a man is considered to be normal. Whereas a man loving a man, a woman loving a woman is not considered normal. And they are typecast and they are scrutinized for their choices they make. And I have a feeling that that's just not correct. Even when I grew up, we were not told that these things were normal. When we would say something like that in our school, our teachers would scold us. Why are you? And I don't blame them, but that was how the society was pretty much. And today, when we want things to change, firstly, I began by changing myself. I started accepting them. When I first encountered, I also behaved in a very bad way, and I shouldn't have. And I realized it, and I think that is why I want to say that they are normal, they are absolutely fine. It's a choice that they are making, and it is very important that we all understand and respect their choices, just like our choices are respected and understood. I feel that this stigma in the society in regard to them is not fair. We need to change a small mindset that when we see them, we should not judge them. We should not look at them as if, something is wrong with them. Something is wrong with us when we behave that way. We should accept every person's choice, whether it is love, whether it is any other thing, just the way anybody else's choices are accepted in the society. Let's change the stigma. We are the youth, and we can change this stigma in the society by just doing a simple thing. You don't believe in them, you don't like them, completely okay. Respect them. Very important is to respect them. Respect them as you would respect anybody in the society. And from here, I also draw one more important point, that this needs to change consciously in every aspect of our life. When I see a girl in my workplace, in my school, in my college, in university, in a company, I am not supposed to judge. Respect. I consciously change that for me, and I think everybody should. It's high time. We should respect everybody's choices. There's no point slut shaming anybody. There's no point bringing down people. It's time we raise everybody. Not by changing anything in the society, but by changing ourselves. And I'm talking about all this because I did that to myself. It got me a lot of power. I changed everyone very close to me to believe that it is completely okay to have a love choice and to love the one we want to. Keep apart gender. It's very rightfully said that the soul doesn't have a gender. Love is love. Very important. Understand, respect, accept people as they are, absolutely as they are, without judging them. That is what we need to change consciously. Thank you. I'm grateful, and have a nice day. Thank you.